Okay, so hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 3110, that is score of a string, and in this we'll be given a string s, and the score of the string is defined as the sum of the absolute difference between the ASCII value of its adjacent character. So we have to return the score of s. Okay, and so here if we are having the string hello, so our output comes out to be 13 because the ASCII values of characters are h is 104, e is 101, and so on. And so the s would be like we have to take a modulus absolute like 104 minus 101 plus 101 minus 108 and so on. Okay, so for this what I'll be doing is I'll be having a variable, let's say the difference, which will be initially 0, and then what I'll be doing, I'll be terminating the loop that for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length and I plus plus. Okay, I should do s dot length minus 1. Okay, yeah, and here I'll be updating my difference as absolute value of absolute value of math not absolute s dot char at I minus s dot char at I plus 1. Okay, and at the end I just have to return difference. Okay, and now let's give it a run and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and yeah, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.